Hi everyone, this is Sue Clear with She's Wired. Today we're going to learn how to add your Delta ticket to your Apple Wallet. We're talking about Delta today because, I live in Atlanta and that's really all anybody flies out here. So it's the easiest thing to deal with. If you fly another airline, don't worry about it. Adding your ticket works the same way. Once you get notified it's time to check in, tap on your Fly Delta app and log in. Make sure to acknowledge any prompts. Eventually, your ticket's going to start to come up. If you get another prompt, just go ahead and acknowledge it. You got to say yes to everything in order to get on the flight. And eventually, you'll see your ticket. Right there, you'll see that you can tap to actually check in. So go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see a barcode appear as well as add to Apple Wallet. If you go ahead and tap on that add to Apple Wallet, it's going to go out and bring up your boarding pass eventually. So be patient with this because it does eventually pop up and we need to be able to see it. And if you look in the upper right corner, you'll see the word add. Tap on the word add and that will add it to your Apple Wallet. Before we go check to make sure it's in your Apple Wallet, you're going to want to go ahead and check your bags. And that's on this same page. So just scroll down a little bit and you'll see where you can check bags. Tap on that and it'll go out and it will bring back the names of anyone that's flying with you in a list. If you get a prompt to acknowledge, please do that. Tap on everybody and go ahead. You get prompts to upgrade. You can just bypass that by saying no, thank you. They're always trying to uptick you. I've got some sort of status, so I can also try to get first class or Delta Comfort, but that rarely happens. So you can make those choices and move on to the next phase of this. And eventually, you will end up on the page that allows you to tell it how many bags you have. So again, be patient with it. I get an error every once in a while. Just okay it and try it again. Be persistent. So here we are. I've gone ahead and tapped one for each bag and then go ahead and tap continue. And that way those bags get logged in. Again, tapping acknowledge because again, you're checking your bags, you're trying to get completely checked in. So it's just like as if you did it on the computer. You're just doing everything through the Delta app. Now, if you want to, you can tap to actually see your boarding pass again. So go ahead and do that so you can just make sure it's there. All right, let's check our wallet to see if it's in there. So find the wallet app and tap on it one time. And if you look, you'll actually see a Delta ticket in the list. Tap on it, and there's your boarding pass. It's going to be available to you anytime you want to look at it. And what's really cool is you will be able to access this very easily on the day you fly. Let me show you how that works. On the morning that you're set to fly out, look at the home screen on your phone. You're going to see a little prompt telling you about your Delta flight. Go ahead and tap on that prompt. Your boarding pass will pop right up every single time. What you need to realize is that prompt never goes away until after your flight. What that also means is as you're walking through the airport and you need to check in, boom, that prompt will be on your homepage every single time. When you reach security, again, that prompt will be on your homepage. Just simply tap it, place it down on the scanner right in front of you, hand the security guy your license, and he'll let you go right through. Same thing when you're actually ready to board. You'll pick up your iPhone, you'll see the prompt right there, tap on it one time, your boarding pass appears. You scan it again, those scanners are everywhere that you put it face down and you can then board the flight. It's very, very convenient. For anyone that's nervous about trying this, it's really okay to print your ticket. That way you have the printed ticket and you can test using the Delta app and the wallet to use your ticket. That way you're fine no matter what. If you've got a flight coming up and you want to give this a try and have questions, give us a call at She's Wired. We can be reached at 404 935 9614.